Hey everybody, Somewhat Girly here with my next unboxing, and it's my Ipsy for the month of January. I learned my lesson from the last video. It is January of 2022, not 2021, 2020. Anywho, just to remind everybody, I am visually impaired. I use reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to make sure I can see fine details, just in case I'm a little confused about what's going on, but most of the time I get it wrong. So if you want to point it out, go for it in the comments. Anywho, here we go. It's already open, because why not? Let's see. All right. Put that off to the side. Make a TikTok about that later. Okay, so we got one item outside of the bag. It looks like a brush, and we got the bag itself. I want to know if Ipsy is confused, what month they think it is, or maybe what holiday, because I don't know about you. This looks very Easter-like to me. Sorry, my phone started moving. My camera just tilts. All right, you. That's it. Anywho, yeah, it looks very Easter-like. If you don't know, Easter is a holiday in the spring. Originally, it was about renewal and regrowth after the winter holiday, and then it turned into a holiday for Christians. But it's pastel. Lots of baby pinks, baby blues, baby yellows, and this screams it. Even the zipper. Look at this. It's yellow. I don't like yellow. So let's look at the brush. It is in a plastic sleeve. They always are. Alright. I need to clean my hands before I touched it. Alright. We've got a clear barrel. Obviously plastic. Let's give it a zoom. A zoom. Let's see what we have here. We have, does that say EB? It's because it's clear. I cannot do the C because it is clear. Lanka Badro? Badro Pro, something like that. Let's see. It looks like a regular blending brush. Very soft, but it's a little on the stiff side, so a little bit more control of your blending instead of being all floppy. That's nice. I still don't know what these letters mean. Does anybody know? Maybe. Nope. Oh man, I was hoping maybe something. Well, all right, let's come back out and let's look what's inside the bag. We'll have our theme card in here. Put that plastic over there. All right, what do we got? Happy vibes. See, even this looks kind of springy. Something about making you smile. And of course, there's no information about the items that we got. It's just some sort of weird cheat sheet for something. I don't know. Okay. Let's see here. What do we got? Feel a small box. Something maybe from the Balm. Okay, so what do we got? It's a date. It's a date. It's from the Balm. I recognize that. There was a store that I found like near us that used to be around. It was called Peebles, and they actually had the Balm products in it. I was super excited about it. It's a date. Oh, that must be the color. Is this a bronzer or is this a blush? What are you? Maybe I'll say it on the back. It will not. What's going on? Do 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 do. Boo 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 boo. And I lost everything I was looking at. Come on, go back in. Come on, come on. I don't think it's gonna let me, but apparently I can get it out of the packaging somehow, which is real nice. And then maybe it has a magnet on the back to put it into a palette, a Z palette or something like that. Does anybody still have Z palettes? I do not own a single one, and I would love to. All right, so there's that. I don't do a full face of makeup. I don't usually use those, but I have a friend that does. So if I don't decide to try it out, I can always give it to her. Betting it's nail polish. That looks familiar to me. Belle and Argent? Belle and R. Right, it is. Okay. All right. Something. What does that say? Already raining. Already raining. Is that the name of the nail polish? Yes. Okay. Whoa. That is so sparkly. Does it show up like out of zoom? Let me zoom back in there. I'm sorry. Oh, look at the sparkle on that. Is that purple? Ooh, do you see that hollow going on right there? What does that girl say? Holosexuals? Are you a holosexual? I'm not stealing that line, but that is pretty right there. Yep, I was right. Belle and Argent. I recognize the little symbol. Ooh, I bet you this... I'm not going to pull it too far out because I have a hard time. Ooh. It looks like a straight up solid polish though, but I bet you when you put it on, it is a beautiful sparkle. I can't wait to try this out. That's pretty. But yet again, kind of a spring color. I wonder why it's called Already Raining. I mean, maybe it's like the stormy clouds. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want to keep like bugging your eyes out by zooming in. Let's see. We got Honey Jarret lip sleeping mask. Lemon and honey. See, that's a little suspect. Whenever you see that on an item, this is a sample, not for resale, meaning that they got it like usually places that have this on there, they give the samples out as a free gift with purchase. Ooh, that's yellow. They don't give you much because if you could see, they put like that little dome in there. What does it smell like? I want to say it smells like lemon pledge smothered in honey. It's not bad. A lip sleepy mask is you put it on your lips before you go to bed, and then you're supposed to wake up with like beautiful lips, succulent and moisturous. I don't know where that voice came from. Last item in the bag felt very small, so I'm gonna keep the zoom in for it. Oh hey! Is this Tarte Shape Tape? Is this ultra creamy? It is! It is! It is! I have never used this. Me and concealer, you can use it for like when you do eyeshadow if you want to, but me and concealer aren't like a thing because I don't do a full face like I just said before. But I'm willing to try this out because everybody goes bananas over this stuff. I'll have to see if I have a setting powder. Look how little it is. I'm going to zoom back out for you. The nail polish is bigger. But you know what? If you're testing it out, I mean, that's a good size. Don't you think? If you're just testing something out. This is what I wish we could do with a lot of makeup products, especially like foundations and stuff. Get like a one-time use. Or like maybe a couple uses, but like at least a one-time use to see, hey, is this going to wear well on me or whatnot, instead of having to go to the store and like figuring stuff out. So what do you think? What do I think? First of all, I can always use brushes, even though I just washed a million brushes. I am not kidding. You should see how many brushes I have. I just washed them all. But you could always use an extra brush. Plus, I like how pretty the clear is of it. I think it's straight up clear. I don't think it's colored. I mean, I tried changing my profile to make it more adventurous, like 2 years ago, and I still have yet to get any sort of adventurous items. I've seen people open up Ipsys that they've done completely adventurous through the profile, and they've got some amazing colors and whatnot, but I can't tell if that's just PR packaging or what. But I always get the same kind of like color schemes. Like nail polish, this I would consider this a little adventurous because it has the sparkle in it. A lot of times I was getting like nudes and taupes, and every now and again I would get a splash of color. I'm always getting lip balms. Rarely get lipsticks anymore, which is kind of weird because I love lipsticks. I don't know. Plus, the whole Easter thing going on, the whole springtime thing going on looks a little weird. But in any event, I really like the fact that I have all these things to try out that I normally would not have been able to try out without the subscription. So that's the reason why I love getting Ipsy, and I love continuing to get it. So that is it for January. Look at this one. That's all I could have. That is it for January's Ipsy of Happy Vibes. And I will see you in my next video very, very shortly. Maybe. Who knows? And you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.